Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have some more Dr. Disrespect news. It seems like he's digging his own grave here. To catch you up to speed, he did stream last week, was it? For the first time after his little vacation, and addressed the accusations. Come hither. Come. Let's take a look at precisely what he said. This is coming from a TikTok video. Count as viral news topics. Let's take a look. It's only a minute, 39 seconds long, so I haven't seen the whole thing. So let's take a look.
Into detail and disputes the allegations that he exchanged inappropriate text messages.
Neither I nor the Twitch user exchanged any graphic messages or images. Let's set the record straight. I never intended to meet this user ever. We never made plans to meet at TwitchCon or anywhere else, and in fact, never met.
Okay.
Dr. Disrespect.
But remember, he did make a statement. He tweeted that there were text messages that I'm not going to put words in his mouth, but alluded to or kind of went in that direction. So why let's continue to watch.
Explained that his former partner manager at Twitch was aware of his conversations with a user through the Whisper feature.
Well, after we signed
The
with
Whisper
Twitch
feature is direct
we
messaging
asked for a
on
new
Twitch if
partner
people don't
manager.
know.
Just a few months later, that ex-Twitch partner manager is directly involved with getting me banned.
The Twitch user told the former partner manager they didn't want to report anything, but the manager encouraged them to file a report. Twitch's operations team reviewed the complaint, found no issues, and decided it didn't need further action.
Interesting.
That should have been the end. But that partner manager, he finds out that no further action will be taken, so what does he do? He personally escalates the report to a friend on the Twitch's law enforcement response team.
A day later, the LER team
I would like
the
to see
Whisper
these messages
and shared out-of-context snippets
Not
with
the message. I want to
Within
see
an
that the
hour,
Twitch
they made
manager, like
decision to suspend
the
Dr.
conversation
Disrespect from Twitch.
Within less than 1 hour, this LER analyst and his director have made the decision to suspend me from Twitch.
Twitch then submitted a report to NCMEC, but even after 4 years, no action was taken on it.
They didn't escalate Twitch's report to law enforcement. They didn't report any facts. Judge in the case determined that the whispers were not illegal.
He concludes by acknowledging he's not perfect, but insists he didn't do the things that he's being accused of.
So this is what happened after ish hit the fan, right? So well, what's happening now? What is this turning into? This is via PC Gamer. 3 months after firing Dr. Disrespect, Deaddrop developer Midnight Society confirms significant layoffs. Now, more rumors is that they're just having a field day fighting people or firing people because of, repercussions by employees of what he was accused of, right? So we'll just briefly read this. Midnight Society, the developer currently working on the NFT extraction shooter, Deadrop, has confirmed significant layoffs at the studio, but says it remains committed to releasing the game in 2025 despite the cuts. NFT games might be the worst thing to happen in video games, other than maybe Superman on the Nintendo 64 and the recent Concord game that came out by Sony. Layoffs at Midnight Society were first reported over the weekend by former employees on LinkedIn. One former senior environment artist, Tyler Moore, said he was one of many artists let go in the cuts. A lot of cuts have been happening in the gaming industry. I know this from a personal friend of mine, amazing artist, Giancarlo 3D. Worked for NetherRealm Studios here in Chicago. Phenomenal modeler and artist. Midnight Society has now confirmed the layoffs in the statement provided by PC Gamer. Quote, unfortunately, Midnight Society has faced multiple unexpected challenges in recent months, a studio rep said. To adapt these changes and secure the future of Midnight Society, Deaddrop, and our commitment to providing innovative game experiences, we've made through tough decision to streamline our operations, which includes a significant workforce reduction. We wouldn't be here without the contributions of those who are affected, and we thank them for all their incredible work, support them, and wish them the best. Okay. Now, we go to the bottom here. As staff writer Morgan Parks said in July, Beam's dismissal presented an immediate problem for Midnight Society. While Midnight Society moved quickly to scrub Beam's presence from its official channels, the game itself is suffused with the Dr. Disrespect character and was a big part of the attraction for many of its early backers. So people are dropping out. People are dipping out. So when Dr. Disrespect was streaming this game, players left. They just left the lobby. Many believe that the teammates had known who Doc was and left, calling him cooked and warning devs to raise the age to 18 plus. It's kind of funny, isn't it? Dr. Disrespect has been getting ongoing backslash ever since the content creator decided to return despite accusations that he DM'd a minor. Let's check out his teammates dropping on him. This is via Deserto's X.
1v5, huh?
Our orange guardian is
We're all done. Up top here.
I guess I'm the only one on this one. Can they reconnect or no?
They all just dipped out. Oof.
1v5, huh?
I don't know. I'll let you as the viewer come to a conclusion on that one. You know? I'm just curious what other people think, right, about this whole situation, about him coming back. Who's still watching him? I've said in my previous videos, like, I watched him quite a bit when he was playing PUBG. I think that was kind of like his golden age of streaming, in my opinion. And I watched him quite a bit when he played Apex. After that, I mean, we're talking years ago. After that, I haven't really kept up watching him. So this is all just juicy news. But are you still watching the doc? Are you backing him up? Is Deadlock dead? Are you going to play Deadlock? NFT? You put NFT in front of a game for me? No, I'm good. I'm good on that. NFT games only makes the core creators money, not necessarily or at all the players. But let me know down in the comments. What do you guys think? What is the future? What is the future of the doc? Please let me know and be nice in the comments. I don't have a comment of the week here for you guys. Had a funny one last time, but that's good. Take care, everybody. Be kind to each other and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.